Okay,
The
great.
warm
Great.
welcome to all the participants and happy learners. And thank you, my heartfelt thanks to IAI3 for this knowledge sharing opportunity. I'm very grateful for this opportunity. And let's get started with today's knowledge sharing topic on healing therapies. So before we dive into the actual content, let me introduce myself on what credibility do I own to deliver this content to you all. I'm not a therapist, I'm not a doctor, or I'm not even very strong in understanding human anatomy. But with the great support of therapists and natural healers with me, I have healed from rheumatoid arthritis, and today I live a pleasant life with zero medicine and 100% natural. So, with this confidence, I just wanted to deliver this awareness to as many people I would know, just to save them from the modern medicines with all the side effects we face with any chronic illness like diabetics, thyroid, or maybe with any chronic illness which is not curable, and there is a lifetime medication associated with it. So, with this credibility, let me share with you a short note on my RA story. What this arthritis is all about? Let us have a small look. Rheumatoid arthritis is defined as an autoimmune disorder which is for lifetime, and modern science has not found any root cause for this disorder. Why the immune system behaves abnormal? There is no reason to be stated it, and the medicines are supposed to suppress the immune system and allow the internal organs to be monitored regularly. So this arthritis has been in me since my age of 30, and I've completely ignored every symptoms. And as much as my body cried to me with all the pain, I said, you have to keep quiet and listen to me, because I have to be perfect on my work life balance. I never given the chance to my body to cry for pain and get some help on the healing. So I think this is something common which we everyone do in this modern marathon we do for career life balance. We all end up with this. So I'm also one among you who did that, and I've ignored these symptoms almost for more than 6-7 years, and I've carried a 1 inch of swelling from my neck to toe. And this arthritis is free to roam around all through your body, and it can attack any of your bone joints and cause immobility in any of your joints. So RA is that cruel, and the medicines that are prescribed with modern medicines are steroids, without which the pain doesn't easy on us. So with this situation, I didn't accept myself to be an RA positive patient until I was bedridden. So once I had this awareness, yes, I have to treat myself, I went around for medications, and I was provided with an RA kit for lifetime to suppress the immune. And there are special offers too. I'm supposed to monitor the kidney, liver, and heart function every 3 months. And there is a frequent buyer's gift as well, a complete RA lockdown from your life routine. And I'm sure many of your RA patients would be facing this unpleasant situation, not even carrying out their regular routines. I couldn't open my fridge folding my fingers. I couldn't do any hectic work, but with medication, I even went a complete patient 24/7. So from here, I wanted to take diversion to find out what is the best alternate. And I'm not ready to stick to this modern medicine, because with a lot of side effects, spoiling all the internal organs too easy on my pain. And I wanted to also to find out the root cause of this symptom. So as much as went around with the therapies and healers, I thankfully ended up with a very pleasant healing person who cured me, and she was also a rheumatoid arthritis therapist, and she cured herself and she helped me cure me. And that was a great journey. Once I done that, and today I'm medicine free and happy leading my life, and I wanted to share this awareness to every single person I know. And thanks to IAI3 for this offer to deliver this session. And now thanks to my therapist as well. So before even we dive into the actual theory about these healing therapies, there is always a trust factor associated with any new system of healing, be it a modern medicine, Ayurveda, homeo. Everywhere people look for some trust factor. When it comes to natural healing methods, the trust factor is our own human body intelligence. Of course, we have to completely trust the healing process and how intelligent our human body is. So let us take a small session about understanding the power of our body healing mechanism. So first time I thought about this is when I had my first C-section, when all my muscles of 7 layers of the skin would be cut through till the uterus to deliver the baby. I was so surprised how long it would take to heal, and what steps should I be taking to heal myself, or what is the supportive supplements I should be taking, what should be the food. And as usual for every woman, I used to do this research, and surprisingly there are a lot of things to understand about a human body and lot of facts which many of us don't know. And it's a treasure, it's an absolute treasure that the creator has given us, a self-healing system which can do all by itself, be it a disease or wound, whatever it is. It's so powerful. So when I went studying about the system, there were some interesting facts I wanted to share. When there are nerves cut, we know there is nervous system, there is circulatory system, there's muscles are there, and there are a lot of tissues and internal organs being cut during the C-section. And all it requires is a minimum of 3 mm distance of bondage. And once this bonding is done, the nerve cells, the blood cells, and all the tissues are intelligent enough to regenerate and connect to the respective partner without any external interference. It's so surprising. And this is what is happening in our body, even with a simple wound or a major surgery or C-section. All that the doctor's support is to just keep them intact with the sutures. So the rest of the mechanism is by the human body intelligence. It happens by itself with supportive vitamin supplements. And to boost this content of trust on our human body, how intelligent it is, even our food intake, even every spice we intake has a very strong effect on the DNA modulation inside our body, which can cure or create the disease when we eat the wrong food. So it is intelligent enough to constantly 24/7, every single system of our body is being under work. We sleep, but they don't sleep. And God's creation is so marvelous, and they are having all the healing intelligence in them. And the best example is now our COVID-19 is still not found with treated with modern medication, but the self-healing mechanism, whoever has generated the antibodies with those intelligence are not suffering the causes of COVID-19. So now with this, I have also hunted on few natural phenomena which we can see live, like a plant growing towards the sunlight. Even every single cell in our human body can sense the infrared radiation or the light sensitively, and you can see it on the GIF top, which is the motion file, which is showing the cell moving towards the light. And do we know that the plants doesn't possess a brain for itself, or these cells doesn't, but they do possess some cell intelligence, which is really natural phenomena, and still researchers are hunting on how this happens. So when you have time to understand this cell intelligence, please appreciate the body we have, and also be generous to the creator who has given us this strength. And now quickly let's dive into our healing therapies. And in today's session, we are going to deal with very simple healing methods, which is easy to self-administrate without any side effects, and they are going to give us a complete confidence on healing ourselves. And these are namely the Sujok seed therapy, Sujok color therapy, and the flower therapy. So all that we need to know about is the easy ways in which we can heal ourselves from simple illness to chronic illness. So this Sujok seed therapy is being formulated and developed by a Korean doctor, Professor Park, and he wanted the society to be pain-free, and his dream is to give a single Sujok therapist for every single home. And this Sujok therapy is not at all very complex, or any lay person like me or anyone can just understand with simple charts and understanding few natural seeds which are available at home, like pepper, methi, any danas we have at home. With those we can heal ourselves, and this is what is the dream of Professor Park. And let's see how Sujok works. So in Sujok therapy, Sujok is a Korean word which means palm and feet. So if suppose we all know about acupuncture and acupressure, wherein the therapist has to understand the key points of pressure points from top to toe. They have to understand, study, and it is a long process, like understanding whole human anatomy and every pressure point. But this Sujok, doctor wanted to make it very simple for us. So he correlated every single point within our palm, just within this area. So to heal from your hair to toe, we just need to know how this palm is mapped to our whole human body from head to toe. So with this chart, if you have seen this chart, you can Google from Sujok chart for body correspondence. You will get this anywhere in Google. You can paste it at your home, and it's a very easy correspondence. It is showing your palm. This is the head, and these two are the feet, and these are the hands. And in case of any pain or any abnormal symptoms happening, we are just supposed to press or give acupressure to those points. Supposing we have a headache, we are supposed to press this head point. Okay, so this is the basic correspondence chart which has been shown here. And above all, Sujok doesn't require any financial expenses, special expenses, or medical knowledge. We can treat ourselves with a simple available in our kitchen. So this is speciality of Sujok, and we are going to see this chart often through our presentation. See, this is the front side of a body with all the internal organ, lungs, stomach, and the liver, everything mapped here, and our limbs being corrected here. This is the head. When you turn back, this is the back side of the body, and that is also shown in the figure as yang side. This is the backbone, and our pelvic bone is resting here, and this is the back side of head and shoulder. And this is how simple chart mapping is available to us, and we can see it online anytime, and we can have this chart on a wall at your home. So then the Sujok seed therapy, how does it work? So I said if you just have to press and give acupressure. Apart from that acupressure, we can also give an extra energy for any of your parts to heal just by, can I mute all participants? I think there is sound disturbance. Hello? I think somebody is talking on the mic. Can I mute all?
Yes, please. You mute everyone. But I can see all are mute. But from where disturbance is coming, I don't know.
Yeah, okay. I'm not sure also. Okay. Fine, ma'am. So shall I continue? So there's a energy healing energy. When I say acupressure, sometimes if my hands are not even strong enough to give the pressure, then we need to have some support system. So the energy of seeds, natural seeds, are used for this purpose. We know any dry seed which even for 2-3 years kept unused, after being wet and sprout, it can sprout, right? The seeds have that much energy, life force energy, which can come out of it even after years. So that life force energy can enter our human body just through applying it on our palm for any healing process. If suppose my stomach is not functioning properly, I have indigestion problem, this is the stomach point, and we can apply a seed of tulsi seed or any natural remedies which you know can improve digestion, can be applied here, like jeera or anything. You may ask me, just by sticking the seed, what may be the effect? This really gives the life force energy to improve the self-regulation process of your stomach. And that's why I said the trust on this healing therapies are more important than the action. So the basic trust will be the first line for any of these healing therapies. So now in the picture, it's being shown that the back side of your hand, here is the backbone. When you separate these two fingers, here is the backbone exactly. And to heal, if you heal your backache, we just have to apply green peas. There is a micro tape which is available in any of the pharmacies, and you can buy those micro tapes, apply those green peas in a straight line and just paste it over here in the backbone point. This will heal in course of time, in 2-3 days or so, without any medication. This seed therapy can heal your backache. So it depends on how chronic your condition is, how severe is your condition. So we'll discuss about it in the later of the session. So now I'm showing you how it is used. The Sujok therapy, just taking your green peas, applying in the backbone point. And I'll show you a few more examples of how other illness can be treated. And methi is another nice seed which we all have at home. And this also have a nice healing effect. It can be applied in this neck point. This is a back neck point. And here, if you apply methi, you can relieve on your neck pain. And similarly, there are few other things which I can show you now. Even the internal organs, now we are seeing on our hands, legs and limbs, even the internal organs are mapped this side of your hand. So the tummy, the intestinal part, and the uterus is here, and your lungs part, and everything, heart and lungs are placed here in the correspondence in the chart, right? So even to heal these, see, for cold, common cold, which is even congested cold in your chest, this is the chest point, apply pepper. Instead, if the children are not taking those hard peppers intake, this can help for mainly for children and very old people or any of us who is not having time to prepare anything as an intake and heal us, it's a very good remedy that you can have your pepper in your bed and just stick those peppers in this lung point, throat point, and the nose point, all through this area. And this will really heal the common cold, even with the congestion in the chest. And that's what is shown in the figure. And now with this correspondence known and the chart you have at your home, you can not only do this seed therapy. Sujok has many different methods of healing with seeds, magnets, probes, and even the acupuncture pins are specially meant for palm acupuncture. And there are many different methods, 7 to 9 methods, and one among them is also the color therapy. Like we stick the seeds on the corresponding point, we can also apply colors with marker pens or normal sketch pens. So these colors have a wonderful effect on healing us. The first time when my therapist told, you just have to apply blue ink on all the toe tips, on all your fingertips, just to reduce on the temperature, I was really shocked if my child will heal just with this ink. So I was very anxious to monitor him the whole night, and I was having the paracetamol syrup also on the hand, so fearful to administrate on my child. But marvelous input. You know what happens when you have a fever and you administrate them with medication, the body doesn't allow the immune system to function. It has been suppressed. The temperature is suppressed, the immune functionality is also suppressed. But when you treat with this natural remedies, the blue color reduces the temperature, and so the body functions and removes the toxins for which it has been responded with the fever and the temperature. So the healing was very fast. Within one single night, he was absolutely all right. When children are very fussy to take medications and you just have to apply ink, even in 4-hourly basis, we can monitor them, and it's very simple and they get cured very easily. And this repetitive sickness of cold, cough, and fever doesn't occur. And this is absolutely a self experience which I'm sharing with you. And as a mother, even I did had a fear when I started these therapies and healing. And of course, you too would, but always self administrate and then try on your children and be healthy on it. And when you see these colors, even in olden days, they used to apply the ink blue color over burns, which heals. So this colors, blue color, have a cooling effect, and that's why when you apply on the toe tip, the head gets a cooling effect, so the temperature reduces. So you can read through this presentation what is told about this color therapy. It is very effective also, and we can do it ourselves. And you don't have to search for therapists and find out, visit them and as and on in this pandemic. In YouTube, there are a lot of help advice about how to apply seeds for every single illness, simple to chronic, or how to apply colors and what color to apply and where to apply. Everything is demonstrated by many of the therapists on YouTube, and there are a lot of resources available with the Google. So all the best. And now let us get into more, let us get to know more about color therapy. And as you see, the Panchaputas is the nature's choice. They have associated themselves with the different colors and what they absorb in. And even our human body is always associated with some emotional state. When we have fear, it is always associated with the kidney, and the fear is generated. So what all gets affected? Where is the root cause being modified? Everything is all associated. That is how the nature has created our whole body with this Panchaputas. So these colors really give a lot of healing effect. And there is also color charts available, like I show you the palm chart with the same correspondence. We can apply colors and what color and everything. You can really dive in for your problem and you can find out. It's very simple and easy and with no side effects. And for example, if you have a tummy pain or acidity in your tummy, just this is a stomach point where you have to apply the green color, which is shown there. And then with Sujok, not only these, as I told, there are a lot of methods in which with this simple correspondence on your palm, you can do a lot of things, just pressure, acupressure and many things. And they also provide a Sujok toolkit. The first one in the picture is a probe. When you give pressure with this probe, if ever you have a headache, the corresponding point would also pain with the probe when you press with the probe. So this is symptom analysis we can do with it by self. If you don't know where the exact pain or the point is, it's very simple. You can just cover the whole of this area with paper or the seed which is being told. It's as simple as that. So there are many Sujok tools which are absolutely available on Amazon itself. When you search for Sujok toolkit, you will be provided with these rings which you can massage. So all your arms and feet, it's equivalent to giving a complete body massage when you do it with the ring. With the ring massage or with the probe in the center of your palm and both the sides. When you massage this portion alone, it's absolutely equivalent to giving it, you're patting yourself with a complete body massage. And all your internal organs plus your whole system will be grateful to you for what you have done to it. So with this, we are continuing on the Sujok healing system and how we should do this. And when we talk about any therapies which we self-administrate, we all have a fear of what if I do it wrong? Don't worry, if you apply a wrong point in the color in the liver instead of stomach, the liver will get some energy and the stomach will be disturbed and not disturbed. There is no side effect, no harm, nothing will happen. Even if you stick left leg knee pain, you will be sticking the pepper or the haldi in the other hand. There is no harm. Only thing is, maybe you will take some time to heal to identify the point. So better when you have confusion without any analysis or finding the point, just apply to the whole finger. That's as simple as easy as such. If you're not identifying the correct correspondence, seeing the chart, if you're confused, apply all the seeds to both your hands and sleep nicely. And every time you apply the seed, you are supposed to remove the seed by 4 hours time, because the energy, positive energy is given to us, to the respective organ, and the negatives are absorbed in the seed, and we are supposed to throw the seeds and not reuse. And this is what is a simple criteria. And of course, these seeds are of minimal cost and we have it in our kitchen and it's easy to use anytime. Okay, and it's best to use always your left hand and apply the seeds at night mostly. So with this, the Sujok portion of it is on physical healing is getting concluded. And now we have the third segment about the flower remedy. The flower remedy is being introduced by Dr. Edward Bach long ago. And when he was diagnosed with cancer, and that time the modern medicine didn't have much cure to cancer patients, he finally ended up living separating himself into a forest with many flowers to visualize, and he had lot of changes in him. He was already a homeopathy practitioner, and I was so surprised to understand and study about this flower remedies, because these flower remedies have a very strong bond or irony with what is told in our Bhagavad Gita. Krishna says, soul is always happy and soul wishes to be in peace. So there is always a conflict between the actual heart and the mind, what we want to do and what we can do. So this soul disconnect is always the cause of every single problem in this world. The actual soul desire, when we say, I'm satisfied with the taste, I'm satisfied with the vision, I'm satisfied with the ears, we don't say that. We always say, I'm satisfied only when the soul gets satisfied. So that is the complete 100% satisfaction we receive when the soul feels happy. So this is exactly what Dr. Bach is explaining us, and he identifies this phenomenon and the soul getting completely flashed with all the positivity just from some flower essence. He has investigated 38 flowers in European continent, and he has given them as a clear extract and how to extract them. And these flower remedies are used to heal our emotions. When we, sir, is there a time now?
Only 2 minutes left. So what you can do,
Okay.
you can cut it up in such a way, and all are requested to rejoin after 5 minutes.
Yeah. Please rejoin with the
5 minutes?
same ID. Yeah. 5 more minutes? Or 2
No,
minutes?
only 2 minutes. Only 1 minute.
Okay. So please rejoin with the same ID and password. The meeting will get disconnected now, and we can rejoin in the same ID to continue with the presentation. Thank you.